Oh, welcome to Simply CM's channel. CM is at a Christmas get together. She's in Rip House. Look at her giggling away. It's so funny. You don't. Okay, it's so funny. And she got food. She got a steak with a baked potato and what looked like creme fraiche and some potatoes. And what is that? Is that a pepper sauce? I think so. Oh, look at me. I got a knife. I will take a bite. Ah, it's so funny. Somebody is recording me. Look at this. Yummy. Delicious. Tastes good. And here we go. It's so funny. Look at this. Thumbs up. This is her co-workers. It's all girls. Except one boy. Girls and one boy. Look at this. Stop it. Wow, look at this dessert pancake with some chocolate syrup and some vanilla ice cream. Wow.